Artificial intelligence, AI, is playing a transformative role across various domains and industries, shaping the world in numerous ways. Here are some key areas where AI is making a significant impact. 1. Automation and efficiency. AI technologies, such as machine learning and robotic process automation, RPA, are automating repetitive tasks and streamlining processes. This leads to increased efficiency, reduced human error, and improved productivity across industries. AI-powered systems can perform complex computations, data analysis, and decision-making at a scale and speed that surpasses human capabilities. 2. Healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatments, and efficient patient care. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, including patient records, lab results, and medical images, to identify patterns and make predictions. AI-powered systems can assist in early detection of diseases, drug discovery, robotic surgery, and telemedicine, improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. 3. Transportation and autonomous vehicles. AI is driving advancements in transportation, particularly with the development of autonomous vehicles. AI algorithms enable self-driving cars and trucks to perceive and interpret their surroundings, make real-time decisions, and navigate safely. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to enhance road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and provide accessible transportation options. 4. Natural language processing and voice assistance. AI-powered natural language processing, NLP, techniques enable machines to understand and interpret human language. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use NLP to respond to voice commands, perform tasks, and provide information. NLP is also used for language translation, sentiment analysis, chatbots, and voice-controlled smart home devices. 5. Financial services. AI is transforming the financial industry by automating tasks like fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of financial data to identify patterns, detect anomalies, and make predictions. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are also being used in customer service and personalized financial advice. 6. Personalized recommendations and targeted advertising. AI algorithms analyze user preferences, behavior, and historical data to provide personalized recommendations in various domains, such as e-commerce, streaming platforms, and social media. These recommendations enhance user experiences and drive customer engagement. AI also enables targeted advertising by analyzing user demographics, interests, and online behavior to deliver relevant ads. 7. Environmental sustainability. AI is being deployed to address environmental challenges and promote sustainability. For example, AI-powered systems can analyze climate data and predict weather patterns for better resource management and disaster response. AI is also used in energy optimization, smart grid systems, and precision agriculture to reduce waste, optimize resource utilization, and mitigate environmental impact. 8. Education and personalized learning. AI technologies are transforming education by enabling personalized learning experiences. Adaptive learning platforms use AI algorithms to assess students' strengths and weaknesses, tailor educational content accordingly, and provide personalized feedback. AI-powered tutoring systems and virtual assistants can support individualized learning and provide additional resources. 9. Cybersecurity. AI is playing a crucial role in cybersecurity by detecting and mitigating threats in real time. AI algorithms can analyze network traffic patterns, identify anomalies, and detect potential cyber attacks. Machine learning models can learn from historical data to recognize new and emerging threats, enhancing proactive cybersecurity measures. 10. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more prevalent, ethical considerations surrounding privacy, bias, transparency, and accountability are gaining importance. Ensuring fairness, transparency, and responsible use of AI technologies is crucial to harnessing their benefits while mitigating potential risks and unintended consequences. Overall, AI is reshaping industries, improving efficiency, and enabling new possibilities across various sectors. As the field continues to evolve, AI's impact on society is expected to grow, bringing both opportunities and challenges that require ongoing attention and responsible development.